abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe segudwini egudwini.
Salibonani, hello and welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive, proudly brought to you by Deb3 Events. Sikhona lapha at Deb3 Events Studios. Siliphathele ezimnandi as usual. Guys, I'm actually very excited to be here today ngoba namuhla akula sopa nesekhona lapha. We'll get to that later. So please do get in touch with Deb3 Events if you need any events management services or media services. Get in touch with Deb3 Events. Usebenzisa amax contacts akhona lapho ku screen sakho, be it a corporate event, personal, family event, church event, community, you name it. Deb3 ilakho ke ukuthi ikuncedise PA system, stage hire, LED screens, videography, photography, kanye lama MCs akhona njalo. So get in touch with Deb3 Events nxa ufuna konke ngokuqambileyo and more. So we also have a studio here if you need a rehearsal space and a recording. Labana ke abachaya ezomculo. Also get in touch with Deb3 Events. My name is Nonditi Zongcube and ngihamba lo General Leslie. But I want to ask him a question. Leslie, are you sober? Not drinking and podcasting, please.
Oh, okay. Not drinking and podcasting. Hello, Salwadani. Welcome to Deb3 TV, proudly brought to you by Deb3 Events. I'm your host, Leslie. And like I always say, our episodes are powered by Oglet Designs for all your graphic works, graphic t-shirt printing, cap printing, even I'm a broker hip hop. Amabhruku abebhalwe amabizo so i-treatment izola libhalwe angazi konke ukubhala konke ongama nika what yeah konke. So whatever that has to do with graphic works, make sure you visit Oglet Designs izolo because suphuzile vele nge one day and you get it covered masinya at affordable prices. Tina sesibuyile lapha, it has been a busy week. Yes,
a very busy week.
Omunye wayicatsha omunye wayebadeka but awulanda.
So in the past week, guys, sibone okunengi okwenzakaleyo. Lots of stuff happened. Interesting stuff. Sibone gin, Highlanders gin. What do they name it? Highlanders African gin. No, I wanted the full name. Highlanders African gin. It was launched, and we have some of the bottles here. And also we saw melodic humor by yours truly, and it was also an amazing event. Trust me on that one. We also had amaqaqa, and they were also amaqaqa senzele okunye. And currently sisesekubulawayo Arts Festival. A lot is happening, guys. A lot is happening.
Yeah, a lot is happening. Mina perspective yami itshintshile mbijana. When people say abantu bakobulawa basupport, and I think from today kumele uzikhulumele wena wethu ungathi abantu bakobulawa basupport, wethu abantu bakobulawa abangi support, like singafaki umuntu wonke entweni yakhona umuntu ngazimele yedwa athi abantu bakobulawayo mina abangi support. Consistently amaqaqa ayigcwalisa theater and ngangikhuluma lobutho lezo sisela sithole nsithi abaphume theater. Let them attempt.
It was fully packed.
Fully packed okokuthi abantu babehleze ama steps. So yona theater nxa ingena 319 plus abantu ababephekene lapha ema steps and we could be talking around 500.
It was sold out.
Abantu and so I was saying let them attempt a large city hall for their next gig. Because we're talking around 2,000.
I think they underestimated the event and themselves.
No,
I think that's what happened.
Those guys, I think sometimes go right and even because they have always filled their people out there. But Kates manje begu too much considering futhi ukuthi bekulama walk-ins. abanye sibili abangene for a certain period baphuma but kwaqhubeka kulokho kugcwele and ama-Hawkins bekulesikhathi kade mphandle kulesikhathi kade mphakathi ububonti kuphuma abantu abaningi ungene phakathi akulandayo ukuhlala emastepsini akulandayo ukuhamba so kube sokungena abanye futhi which is a beautiful thing for me I think it was okay ukuthi ba-maintain i-consistency yona lena yokugcwalisa i-theatre then use that number yona lena eliyisebenzisa ukugcwalisa i-theatre to go and start on a bigger vein and ukuthi even if they attempt maybe large city hall even nxa ingasagcwalanga but sabe sikwazi ukuthi at least i-ground floor yonke le yabigcwele sibili phama and that's a good attempt for a first attempt and ungabona sokundayiza la phezulu ngale hayi sabe sisithi gcinani phela ojabeni khona ngapho lathi silamaqaqethu ngaso so okunye futhi I think it goes back to knowing your audience and what people that abantu abarelate lento yakho because ungakhangela vele ungahambe uyobukela imbube kulabantu ukuthi you will never see them in anything ubathola either kumbube either kumaskandi either kumbaqanga abantu besintwini abathanda konkyana those are the people so bona they know how to go to those people and thina manje sifuna ukuba amasalalo thuthiwa ngiyathenisa ama-ticket e-CBD what amakhapha kabe kugcwele bengungabhakeki so bekutshengisa ukuthi bekubuya bantu sibili abaphilayo normal human beings phela
that was nice and also yours yours it did well.
Arsenal is big.
Well, it was not full.
Yeah.
But was it half full or more than half full?
We can be talking around half
around
of the
half
theatre, yeah, somewhere there.
Because mina ngithalaza bembona ukuthi hayi kulabantu.
But Arsenal inkulu, yeah.
I know, but you did well. Guys, let me tell you something about Leslie. Obviously, aziqakezele, but the show, for me it was a memorable show and he actually delivered. Yabona okuzimadlanyana esikubhadeleyo, I think we were actually oversaved. He over-delivered. It was an amazing show and there was no time. You know, when usiya ku-comedy show, you're going there to laugh
and forget.
You know, you're going there to laugh. You're going there to relax, to detox. And there was no time. Yoguti, you start thinking of other things because he was capturing attention yabantu. You were capturing attention yabantu.
Preparation, guy. Do you know ukuthi I comedy? You'll only realize the day you put on the mic ukuthi this thing is difficult. So after doing Wall of Shame and other productions that I did ngale move, I went back ngahlala phansi ngaqala ukubukela bo Alisa Dickey, Seya Skhumba, the Kevin Hart, and not only for the content but for how they line up their jokes,
as well.
How they line up their punchlines and how they prepare, because abanye sibili yabona sibili ama behind the scenes or preparation time and what and what happens angafika ku punchline expandekayo uyadlula yini or he keeps hitting on that. So I started watching things like that. I started watching the Trevor Noah, I can't say newsread, but Trevor Noah and I don't
I got that.
I went back ngale move and for me I think umuntu entole kakhulu motivation kakhulu preparing for this was watching ama clip akudala akaSkhonje, watching ama clip akudala akaClive. There's a guy called Alisa Dick. Yeah, Alisa Dick is ngunkulunkulu. So watching those nxa la ususiya kwaya ku-creative space usiyaqalisa ukuscripta now ulenye motivation yokuthi you can actually record 10 laughs a minute, you can record 15 laughs a minute, and when I saw myself consistently for almost 10 minutes ngicloka 10 15 laughs a minute and I was like sokushaba.
Yeah, that was good.
Sokushaba uNkulunkulu wabasebuyile.
Yazi ukuthi yikho phela ade ngikuthi ukuthi ungani time ngumuntu. Time yeah, human being, but then you have it guys, now ungahambanga kumele uthi humor, you actually missed out. out. So make sure ukuthi you follow General Leslie for, ama-updates
Yeah.
and knowing nxa kulokunye okuzayo, because I'm sure uke wantshela behind scenes ukuthi kukhona okunye okuzayo
Siyapheka,
very soon.
siyaxhwathisa.
So make sure ukuthi uyamfollowa uLeslie so that you get the updates on what he's doing. I love what you're doing, Guy Leslie Ngutshelani.
Thank you.
Because we can't always be having music shows.
Yeah,
really.
yeah.
And I think you're one of the best comedians khona lapha kuBulawayo.
Yeah.
Problem umuntu akabukulalele uya. Yeah. And then also something else that happened last week, sibone I Highlanders African gin being launched. Slama bottle lapha. And I haven't tested it yet.
I have.
You have?
Yeah, I have. It's
Okay.
smooth. It's smooth. I'm a bit. This gin is smooth, Bavit. Ish.
So guys, update. Deb 3 Events is also it also has these bottles for sale. So if you want to make an order, just get in touch with Deb 3 Events using the contacts akhona lapha ku screen. It's just $12.
$12.
$12. It's just $12 for this bottle. Ungazithathela nje uzithathele nge $12 yakho uhambe nje uyo relaxa and enjoy it and have fun. Akuntshela. Enale ibhalweni isayinwe ngubani?
Sayinwe ngama-legends. Lapha kule signature ka-Peter Ndlovu. Amanye ama-signature lawa ngikwazi lapha. Nansi eka-bench. Marwari. Isayinwe. Yabona ukuthi le mayinxesi kudaka.
So sila nxa isikudaka yenzani?
Abuzubona ukuthi udlala e-England so I was a football I think is a siqambisa manga. I almost signed for Arsenal. I'm telling you. No, but for me what I love the most is branding. I know.
It's actually
branding
very beautiful.
So I'm just thinking ukuthi i-gin le ingaqalisa ukufika kwezinye indawo and it's not only good for drinkers, but also good for the brand Highlanders. And it's not a beverage, it's not a rare. It's not a because this is a gin. Like a gin is not for everyone. A gin. This is a gin. I-gin uyabona lo mkhuba so aso boyfriend gin le. This is a gin, but well, we've got Highlanders gin ikhona bakithi if you need i-gin kaMantengwane i-Highlanders African gin ikhona lathi silayo lami if ikhona me I have it. So bottles are going for $12 limited edition. Then after that sabone sakhulumisana we are black people, but for now sisathi bakithi abantu abakholise bakithi let's drink responsibly. Let's not drink and try. This is well crafted. This is what I love. It's not brewed, it's handcrafted. Wait, what are you telling me? Handcrafted. So it's a very smooth gin. For gin lovers, you'd know what I mean. It's a gin. It's a proper gin. So hambe tester, then yakwanisa ukufaka i-comment phansi then nxa lifuna uku-order from diaspora bakithi get in touch. We have ways of making sure that you get Highlanders gin China, Australia, Sri Lanka, Madagascar, Yugoslavia. Siyafuna ukuyithumeza ngapho but upakele umthakathi uyanathi gin yethu.
You know what I love about Highlanders African gin? Ikwenze wakhuluma isikhiwa ngamakhala. Ngisizwe siphuma.
So nice sinyamelela. Ngicayithothi. Ngicayithothi ngiqale phansi. All right, as well emsebenzini.
Okay, so and also like I said, we had a lot of interesting happenings in the past week. We also saw 1 June, we also saw celebrations of Ibulawayo Day.
Amatsha mina. mina
Wamatsha.
lo
Wena uswelakali phela kulezi.
ngamatsha mina I think ngingafamile nge-heroes egg kumbe nxa kunye unemployment I'm always there I'm always there that's right
Njengomuntu ongelanto yokwenza.
njengomuntu hlezi endlisa hey awufa angaba kule gig ngawuswise kinashi le into kuphela ekade sanganiya ngehlula kakhulu ukuattenda kakhulu it's hip hop ukuthi I think about circulate kakhulu because only to discover after they'd done was it hip hop chill something yeah there was something hip hoppy
I think the problem with hip hop guys in lento ade siyikhuluma bagcwelisisa lala too much.
amakhiwa
Eh?
amakhiwa
I don't know. Ungani bazi segregate like ukuthi we are the hip hop guys
yeah
or
but
something like that.
let them grow like abayikhulisi industry because half of the time I won't even hear what you're saying guys but I just want to be there just be in that vibe very truth is especially lapha nxa sesithi yeah I've got a brag ngiyabe ngizwa lutho se but mfuba khwampana it's not like mina irumba
Kaba hip hop
ngiyithanda
phela la ngesindebele khona uzakuzwa.
but even bethanga isindebela vela uzwa
Uyangalalelanga.
mina the things that I
You
attend
know-
things
you know-
that I don't even like sometimes
You know what? Sorry ukubisele move. There's something that has been concerning me ngebulawayo day. Why ama corporates engani ahlehlele emuva?
right yeah good I love that sis figure khona and we spoke about this last year. You know what I love the most is when you speak about things kuyathiwa laba abathanda ukukhuluma then after a short period of time man kuqhela kuyinto lokhana kugcina songani outcry for example when we talked about wrong journalism either they kept quiet or they labeled us whatsoever till those so-called journalists started writing ukuthi a mentally unstable man then the riot began now yeah yeah swima nje that so when someone has had the courage to speak about things and we have an opportunity to amplify that let's amplify it without fear kungakachayi wena because ukacela kuchayi wena so something lebulawayo day and ibulawayo day uyazi ukuthi iyajuma because it's not every day that I should wake up and write ku calendar ukuthi mhlaka 1 June I want to say that's a cancel event and
It happened again last year.
exactly last year and last year manje mina kwaba worse because ngathi ngene town ngakhona sithi oh kenje ngo1 June but into ye cancel yana into kabulawayo and kuhluphani madoda ukuthi iengagement eka 1 June next year sihle siqale khathesi mhla ka 2 June after 1 June esedlulile and because ama corporates alama quotas meeting alama quotas budget and what and you can't just know kunamuhla ukuthi kusaza sile bulawayo day then you expect us to keep imali ekathi ngekho ku budget but singabuya siwili and start do you know ukuthi there is a lot of people la ko bulawayo la ngesikhathi smacha who didn't even know what was happening and we didn't even have ama-pamphlets okuhamba sibanika so I celebrate bulawayo or whatsoever and so it was basically kukhala ama-siren we then sesibhoda and but in terms of information nothing akula
So kudlalisa energy le fuel kuphela kwamatshwa kuphela.
so into leyani edinga i-engagement ukuthi imatch leya eyenzakala ngobulawayo day it should happen before Bulawayo Day. Tshela abantu ukuthi libuye sizo celebrate in uBulawayo. So that abantu lingabajumi baphomba ubona sokulayini abantu bama blue abama green. Kuhamba njani kulo president odlulayo. And you know abantu bezimbabwe vese saba ngave ukalisa irinze isicatsha. Lava sesigala la. So engagement mina angazi maybe I'm speaking nge layman's view. But I think engagement ayikho mina. Ayikho engagement ku corporate sector, ayikho engagement ku creative sector because ireselwa 2 or 1 week before the day and akula engagement ama content creators engage them. They start posting about Bulawayo Day even a month before and inoise le yahamba ngicela unjele one content creator alright enxa ngayikhutha but I don't remember seeing any post. that I was talking about Ubulawayo Day. So it means into yakhona yathathwa yaba ngeyabanye abantu. Uthi ayinto yethu le. And ingaba into yenu vela nje. Akulabantu ababuya kiyo ke. Corporate support numbers.
Yeah.
And it's easy to get whatever numbers kubulawayo Day. For starters, anti kulama drama majorities lawana abuyayo la. That's the future generation. Manga kama cancel schools. So it means singakabali kuphela abantu ababuyile. Iline yama drama majorities la mele befika le.
I see. Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So engagement yafunakala. Corporates want to support these things. I'm sure about that. Because as much as you'll see few corporates every year, but you'll always see different corporates. Lo bengekho last year uyile. Then lwana kako.
Which means they are not doing anything to keep keep
them. Lokuletha abatsha ababekhona ngabolesi ukuthi kuphela kwethu hanti kuyafakeka itende lapha eKapa faka itende ka keep is sent towards that. Sabe sinachi.
Yeah.
My only problem was abantu laba kuthambani kanti lo mfana lo opposte wathi Ibulawayo Day ngeyani kanti njanja. Sengikhodliwe wangangale. Asensithi nxa inkwethu zingekho ekhanda lakho zikulumelana.
There are some people who are just bothered
because it's not like into leyana ukuthiwa ithethe anything emuntwini. Ayithathanga lutho. The only difference is ngesikhathi semarch at some point Bulawayo siwili kwethu sile because street abantu bagcwala, and that's what I'm saying ukuthi ngabe imarch lena yayenzakale before. A lot of people would have loved to be part of the march. Because kwakungasahambeki emgwaqweni abantu bephuma ema-ofisini besizobona kanti kuhamba njani. Kanti kuhamba njani. So ingenzakala maybe before or something. I think kulusizo.
So you're talking about awareness.
Yeah. Photo sibile sikolo, photo malokchini, tell people we are going to be celebrating Ubulawayo Day. Khangela imklomelo.
Yes.
Ngalo ngaphuza uhamba uhambe.
Plus sebesibona futhi even the creatives they'll keep on posting about.
Yes. We shoot ama adverts, which is a good thing. Yeah.
Okay. So I also think another issue ngibona ngani into ekhona about Ibulawayo Day. It seems like there's a lot of people who don't really understand ukuthi during on 1 June when we are saying Ibulawayo Day, what are we exactly celebrating?
Yeah.
There are a lot of people abakhanya ngani abakuzwisisi khona lokuthi kahle why are we having Ibulawayo Day? Because I was seeing some posts, people asking ukuthi okay Ibulawayo Day ngeyani?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying.
Even people that are based here, there's a lot of people who don't know.
I can't know there's a lot. Majority vele. Bapho ukuthi kusho ukuthi nxesithabela ukuthi ngubulawayo. So that's what I'm saying ukuthi ku march khomba ngaba la pamphlet.
Kuthiwa imarch Ibulawayo Day, imarch lay. We're not doing the event any favors by marching in town.
Yes.
Because when we are saying Bulawayo Day, we're not talking. Bulawayo is not CBD.
Yeah.
It's not. Bulawayo kulapha abantu abahlala khona. Pophoma, Makokoba, Njube, Country Park, Nkulumane, Mganwini Nketha. You know, Mayadini ngapha, Machamhlophe, Ilanda, Benside, whatever. That's where the people are. Abasetown laba iningi labantu abasetown ngicela one thing abantu ababuya amabhasi bezwenza umsebenzi wabo babuyele lapha bavela khona.
True.
Iningi labantu abasetown. So you find ukuthi abantu abavele bengabantu bakobulawayo iningi labo alikho etown at that time.
Yeah.
So unless if the march is just for decoration, but if the march is for celebrating Bulawayo and for telling people about Bulawayo, then it has to go where the people are.
Yeah. Mina I understand the fact ukuthi babe befuna ukuya ngale kuma ground kaMzilikazi kwakusenzelwa khona ingxwala. I get that. But it goes back to what you are saying ukuthi thina nti sifuna ukuthi sihlangana endaweni kaMzilikazi la namhla ka1 June. So asimatheni phela ngoMay wonke. Simathe ePophoma, simathe Luveve so that sonke sesihlangana ke mhla ka1 June nga lapho okuhlanganwa
Yes.
khona
Abantu betshela ukuthi hayi kuhlanganwa endaweni
endaweni enje
mhla ka-1.
sabe celebrate ubulawa kuhlangana endaweni enje kuhlangana endaweni enje kuhlangana endaweni enje but singafuna ukupersonalize kube ngokwethu kube lapha
Ngoba
akuphumi
etown vele kugcwele abantu bama-cubicle kugcwele ama-vendor and we know ukuthi the majority of these people ibapha abantu bonapho we know that yabo so nxa sisenze etown we are doing it for the wrong audience.
it's wrong
Yeah.
and ngesikhala lapha kukhala iradio kukhala amasireni lihambe emgwaqweni bazachiya abakwenzayo 5 minutes walezo bagcwala eceleni komgwaqo so balibukele then lingadlula sebebuyela uyawode because selidlulile so we see
Hayi sesiqedile siyabonga. Guys, with that, it brings us to the end of the episode. Sicela ukuthi Leslie, can you please update us ngama events?
I've got events. Right, sisemoyeni we-festival bakithi. We are doing a Bulawayo Arts Festival this weekend. Rumba Lovers bakithi. Rumba Lovers. Thina nti abakagodo abakaboyoyo uThemba thina abe rumba sabe se White City bakithi lingalahlisi bakithi White City sabe se White City mayisengikhohle uthi Friday or Saturday.
Ngizama ukukhangela the other events khona lapha.
Right, so we've got Kings and Queens concert this Thursday, and Thursday we've got Kings and Queens concert at City Hall. We've got Imbube night on Friday at City Hall. We've got Rumba Chibiliga White City, that's Friday, right? Saturday, yes. Saturday
It's
in White
Saturday,
City.
yes.
We've got Irumba night. I think now these are the.
And we also
then we've
have
got Vuya Brown.
Vuya Brown, yes.
Vuya Brown, City
City
Hall
Hall.
Car Park. Saturday again. And
Saturday, 2 p.m.
And I'm a praise I'm gonna mnandi because kuthiwa bring what you can. Yes, so but we are 100 bra. 100 puru bra Franklin.
Kuthiwa lo layo.
We are live kuVuyo Brown. So bakithi let's awusozintshela ukuthi this weekend nyabhonka yanla ndawo yokuhamba mawuthanda irumba ikhona mawuthanda ihip hop ikhona mawuthanda iafro jazz ikhona mawuthanda imbube ikhona so
Thani omnye lo munye uyathola wonke umuntu uyathola.
umuntu uyathola thola okwanisa
uyathola.
maye mina ngiyakwana yonke indawo because uvuyo wakho uyadabula.
So the theme, I just want to mention the theme, Bulawayo Arts Festival. Kuthiwa building bridges and preserving connections.
Building bridges. Ukuthi
Preserving
sebengasithanga
connections.
eTrapper Plaza.
So guys, it's a building bridges, preserving connections. That's the theme for Bulawayo Arts Festival for 2026.
Yes.
And Sibonge kakhulu Leslie, you have something else to say?
I just wanted to say, guys, gin. Let's buy gin.
For only $12.
For only $12.
Yes.
Let's buy gin. I'll post it on my Facebook. Oh, Nzamfosa. Look at
And also another update, guys. We have a new Facebook page, Deb3 TV. Make sure you follow Deb3 TV. Follow us on Facebook and also subscribe YouTube channel Deb3 TV. I remember it was Deb3 Events, and so now it's a Deb3 TV. Also, make sure you follow us, Tina, ama hosts, Nondudu Zongube, across all social media platforms, and General Leslie across all social media platforms. Please do share this episode with your fellow friends and comrades, and also keep the comments coming. Siyawathanda ama comments ayasinceda lathi ukuthi sibekwazi ukuthi into esizikhulumayo ziyazwakala ungazizwakali. So thank you so much for commenting on the platform, and also please do make sure that you subscribe and get the notification button. Ukwenzela ukuthi uthole ama notifications, you don't have to miss anything. Thank you so much for tuning in. Sibonane njalo kuviki elizayo.
Yes. Highlanders
Leslie lokho ekhangela ijini.
infused with resurrection plant. Right. Thank you so much for joining us. Salibona singalikhangela.
Enkundleni